Hey y'all, this is going to have to be quick because I think this card's full. But I got this in the mail and I have been holding on to it. This is another one of those things I stashed and forgot. So I think it's too late to return anything. I hope I love it all. But it's a clothing company called West Azalea. So let's get right to it. I have no idea what I ordered. But it's too late to return it because I can't even remember. I know some of you going, I know. How many things? One, two, three, four. Only four things. It's kind of looking cute. Okay, this is for winter. What was I thinking? It's a gray corduroy shirt that you could use as a jacket. It's just a shirt that you could use as a jacket. Did I say that twice, really? But it's just a shirt that you could use as a jacket. It's got pretty tortoiseshell um, buttons and a pocket. It's got a nice collar. XL is my size. West Azalea. How much was it? $34. Gray corduroy button-down shirt. Drop shoulder. Shacket. I like that. It's a shacket. It's a shirt jacket. So I got a shacket. This is good just to wear like a white shirt under and black jeans and some little black booties in the winter and your black Prada. What else did I get? Why did I get this? Maybe it'll tell me it's a shacket. No, it's not. Hold on. Let's get it out of its little... Okay. It looks like a hoodie. Why would I get a hoodie? No kidding. I don't need any more hoodies. I've got hoodies. I love hoodies. And sweatshirts. But I've got too many. And I had to get rid of some. Okay. This is more like a very interesting sweatshirt sweater. Ooh. It's so soft. I'm so glad I got it. And it's like a cow neck versus a full turtleneck. Not even a cow neck. It's like a rolled mock neck. That's what it's called, mock turtle. But look at these sleeves. I hope that will be flattering to my fat arms. See how it's kind of big at the top, but then it's ribbed. All the way down ribbed. But it's foldable. So, it's kind of bat wingy. What do y'all think? It's kind of tight looking though. Let's see how wide it is. A 2X. It's meant to be comfortable at home. And it's longer in the back than the front, which that's important because I need to cover my business. I like it. And again, put this with khaki, white, winter whites, black. Grays goes with a lot. It's kind of the new black. I like it. I do like it. Good thing, too, since I don't even remember when I ordered this. It's been sitting here for about a week or two. Y'all know. You've seen it probably in the background. Just sitting there going, what is that back there? Azules. This is another American Basics West Azalea. How much was this one? $25. Plus size V-neck, 3/4 sleeve, Azul. I guess that's just the brand name. Who is this? I love it. It's kind of a not black shirt. I'm getting too many black shirts, and honestly, because of my eczema, I can just do that, and the next thing you see, just like a snowstorm on my shoulder. It's winter on my shoulder. And I talked to my dermatologist about it. They said it's pretty common. It's actually not eczema. It is a little, gross you out, yeast that they float through the air and they can land on your face, your hair, your scalp, and they can just make your skin get very dry and scaly, and that's just what they do, and you never will get rid of them. So he gave me a special shampoo that will help. What's tomorrow? Tomorrow's my shampoo day. I'm supposed to shampoo only Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and with just that shampoo to try to calm it down. Also, he said the best thing in the world you can do is stop eating sugar. Sugar feeds yeast. It feeds lots of things. Why? Is sugar bad? No. It's an energy source. And we get an abundance of it, and our body produces yeast. So, anyway, this is just a 3/4 sleeve. I feel like that's almost long sleeve for me because I'm so short. But it is tunic level, and it does have it longer in the back than the front. And so that's just going to be a nice around the house that I can wear with blue jeans, black pants, gray pants, khaki pants. This will go with anything. It's like a burgundy brown. It's an interesting color. Oh, and then what's this? This is made by Unji USA. Maybe. This will need a cami because I feel like it's going to be see-through. But y'all know how I love me some polka dot, whatever that is. And it's quite pronounced. I bet you have to wash that inside out to keep that one from like coming off. What do y'all think? This gauze, so comfortable in the summer because it breathes, but it looks like linen. And so it's very kind of elegant-y looking, but it's cheaper. So, and this is long. Everything's long. It's gone past my business. How much was this one? 37, 36.95. Swiss dot, love it. Detailed puff sleeve, split neck. I'm gonna have to look this up. West Azalea, y'all. I'll put the link below and I'll probably figure it out. I do wonder if this is completely see-through. What do y'all, can you see everything too much? Maybe not with a good bra. Just don't get out, you know, where you're seeing through. That does not look like a 3/4 sleeve to me. That looks like it will barely cover my bat wings. But I'll try it because I have to. It's not going to go anywhere. It's maybe to Goodwill or a friend. And a lot of my friends are smaller than me, so they probably wouldn't want it. Well, I have a few that are about. This is a 2X. The thing is, I can wear a 1X or I can wear an XL, but it's so tight. Not just across the bust, but also the belly. I got a little pot belly. I shouldn't say little, I got a big one, but I am trying to lose weight. I say that, and then I go and eat something just pure sugar. It's like that. You're not doing good. Okay. So that's one of the things I got. So we'll talk about that. Then there's another thing I just got to talk about because it's just cool. But I do like my Color Street nails. It's kind of like a stick-on nail polish. It's not a sticker. It's not a false nail. It's actual nail polish in a sticker form. So you can. I've got it on right now. They're kind of like shimmery. I think this color is called Shimmer Down. It's like a clearish pink.